Children, we will work out example problem 320. Read the question. The charge is moving along with velocity v vector along positive y direction in magnetic field B vector. You have to compute the Lorentz force, and in the first case you can see B vector is acting along y direction, right children? Now we will see this first case. What is the first case? You can see V vector is acting along positive y direction, right? B vector is acting along, it is also acting along positive y, okay, positive y direction both. Now we will draw, you can see I am drawing axis x, y and z axis, I cap, j cap and k cap, right? You have introduced all this. Now in this case, according to the question, v is acting along, v vector is acting along y direction, right? And you can see B vector is acting along y direction. So B vector is also acting along y. So you can see V vector, B vector both are acting in the same direction. So theta is 0. Theta is the angle between these two, V vector and B vector. So theta is 0, right children? The same thing I have written here. You can see V vector and B vector both are acting in along same axis, y axis. So theta is 0. If you substitute in this formula, Lorentz force formula, F is equal to BQV sin theta. Theta is 0. So sin 0 is 0. So we will get F is equal to 0. See vector notation, you see Fm vector is equal to QV cross B. So both along y axis. So I am introducing j cap. You know j cross j is 0. So this is 0. So Fm will be equal to 0. Right children, we will go to the next part. In the second part you are having V is acting along positive y direction, B vector is acting along z direction. See, V is acting along positive y, B is acting along positive z, right? Now if you introduce in this vector notation, Lorentz force Fm vector is equal to Q into V cross B, because V is along y axis j cap, B is along z axis, so k cap, right? Now you can see, you can write cross product, A cross B is AB, right? Sin theta. What is theta here? What is the angle between V? 90 degree, right? Here in this case theta is equal to 90 degree. So what you will write here? You will write V cross B, that is QVB, okay? Sin theta, theta is sin 90 is 1. So you will get BQV. In which direction it is acting? You know J cross K is I cap, right? So BQV I cap. So Fm vector is equal to, right children? So theta is 90, you know that. If you can write it in cross product, what will you get? F is equal to BQV sin theta. Theta is 90, you will get BQV alone. So to find vector notation, what will you write? J cross K is I. So along with this BQV, you can put I cap. So so you are getting I cap now. Fm is acting in this direction along x axis. This Fm is, it is acting perpendicular to the plane of the paper and outward, right children? You can use right hand rule. See how will you use right hand rule? Already I taught you. See, along the first vector you place the forefinger. Palm is facing the second vector. The thumb, you can see it is coming out of the paper, right? This thumb gives Fm direction, magnetic force direction, right? It is along, it is perpendicular to the plane of paper and outward. In the final case, you can see V is along y direction. V is along y direction. About B, you can see it is in the ZY plane. ZY plane, B is existing with an angle theta with respect to V. Okay, with respect to V vector, right? V வந்து y axisல ஆக்ட் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. B vector வந்து ZY planeல இருக்கு. B vector is making an angle theta with V vector, right? So you are resolving this B vector into horizontal and vertical component. theta is here, so you can write this horizontal component as cos. So b cos theta and vertical component is b sin theta. Right children? Already you are familiar with resolution of vector. Okay. Now where will be fm vector? You can see this b vector is horizontal component plus vertical component. B cos theta j cap plus b sin theta k cap. Okay, so B vector is the sum of these two, right? Now coming back to this Lorentz formula, vector notation. So Fm is equal to Q V j cap because V is acting along y direction. So V j cap cross B is the component, horizontal and vertical component. You can split and write, okay. Multiply Vj cross B cos j cap plus Vj into this, okay. So cross by split, remove the bracket, you will get this. You can see these two you are writing as such. Here you can see j cross j is 0, right? So j cross j is 0. So leftover is this Vj cross B sin theta k I have written as such. So these two you are writing as such. Leave the 0 and you reproduce this Vj cap cross B sin theta k cap, right? Fm is equal to A cross B is AB sin theta is 90 degree. So what will you get here? QVB, okay, QVB and J cross K is nothing but I. Got it? See, I have written here J cross K is I. So instead of J cross K, you are writing I cap here. So Fm is equal to BQV sin theta I cap. So I hope you understood children. Thank you.